Speed of NQ 112.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Othrow.
Speed of NQ 63.
Just one. Are you ready? That is right. Oh, wow. Is it Thursday already? Holy shnikes. Let's go. Alrighty then. Sorry, I'm a few minutes late. We had like 5 signups this morning, which means we are down to 31 seats left in this Enigma release. We opened up 50 seats and we're down to 31 left with the full auto, and full auto will be no more after those 50 seats are gone this month. Welcome aboard. My name is Vinny Emini. If this is your first time with us, you have been missing out. It is about 2 minutes until the open. I'll give you a quick tour around what you're looking at here if you are new with us. Top right there, you'll see my 5 trades listed there on that $500 sheet. You can print out one of those in our Discord trade room. Make sure you are inside of our Discord trade room so that you can get that direction filter in the top left. That is just a screenshot image here on the live stream, but if you want the live version of that, it's inside of Discord on the left-hand side. Someone will get you directed to it. Rules down there at the bottom left, 5 or 6 trades or 60, 90 minutes, whichever comes first, and the rest of those are the filters that I use for entering. Speaking of filters, we want to be trading outside of that no fiddle zone there in the bottom right, outside of that little golden zone there in the middle, and especially when it is flat at 0. I'm going to be keeping my eye on that because I have been doing some statistical analysis, and the only time, I don't want to say the only time, but the majority of times when one of my setups is taking a loss is when this is at flat 0. And interestingly enough, oftentimes they will stop out to the tick and go to target if it is sitting flat on the 0. If you know what I'm talking about right here, type a 0 in the chat. If you're not sure, well, go check out some of our videos. Let's get to it. Let me crank the music on and let's do this. About 30 seconds till the open. I like to sit on hands for the first 5 minutes, let the bots do the work. I've got full auto turned on here for the first 5 minutes while the wildness goes off there. Make sure, oh, security settings. Don't want my game to be slowed down. Make sure this is just like a gamer. Go into your managed settings. There it is. Turn that real-time protection off. That will speed up your PC as data is flowing into your PC. Let's go.
Speed of NQ 82.
Yes, Jacques. Real-time protection, I just turned it off. Thank you, sir. Appreciate the reminders. All right, first sets of crosses right there. Let's get a measure. Crosses to crosses here. Gold line target 19,085. Okay, prior high and prior close sitting there together right there at this spot. So going to be, yeah, no surprise. And there's two trades back to back right at flat zero. You see the first one? Perfect example of what I just talked about. We are literally at flat zero, right? And the first one stops out to the tick, second one comes in, smashes it. But that's the type of thing that we see quite consistently right there at flat zero. Easy one to filter out. Okay, there's my gold line touch, missed it by a tick and a bounce up.
Speed of NQ 518. Speed of NQ 518.
Thanks, Missile. Yeah, we had to hunt around for some more mellow music from some of the feedback that we were receiving. If you guys got other feedback for us, we'd love to hear it. What do you guys want to see more of? What do you want to see less of?
On the NQ1.
All right, moonshot short right here. Yikes, right as it's picking up. I've got my finger over the sell for a retry up there at the target line.
Speed of NQ 389.
All right, going in for a retry.
Target filled. Target.
Two try rule, smacking it down, not bad. You get a measure on this one. F8 from the top to the 12.1.
Speed of NQ 343.
So we know it's the same spot as that red line down below. See how this shark goes. A break of the shark and I'll hit it. Looks like a PRZ cross. I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot.
Target.
Beautiful. Shark crack. Behind on it.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Target filled.
Speed of NQ 326.
Target filled. Target filled.
Top of the zone. So we have a very clear zone formed here. Right about here and here. So So what do we know? Double crosses at the top of the zone, double crosses at the bottom of the zone for reversals. This is stair stepping up here, but we're also stair stepping down. So still inside the zone.
Speed of NQ 338.
Let's wait for it.
Speed of NQ 338.
So if you've been coming out to the streams lately, the speed has been insanely fast. This is not your normal market conditions. So don't think that I had somebody question said, hey, well, it's too fast and da-da-da. So there are ways to slow this down. I could literally switch down to a higher time frame. I can get a larger bar size, and that gets, I don't want to say fixed, but if you want to trade it slower, you definitely can do that. It's just my style to trade it a little bit quicker, take more trades, plus to give you more examples out here, because again, that's my job, is to show you examples of how the system works and the various trade setups that we get. So I'm trying to play the lowest time frames where you'll see the most amount of trades taken and the least amount of risk there on the lowest time frames for the entries on those.
Speed of NQ 275.
Am I still on L3 on the ones? I believe so, but let me check it because I did have to make adjustments yesterday when I went to the twos. Yes, still L3. Everybody type L3 in the chat for the people who come in. I know it gets asked every day. I need to try to get that update. So type L3 so you guys can let everybody know as they come into the live stream there.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
And there's other instruments that are slower too. Yeah, there's a lot of ways to slow it down. If you don't like NQ and the NQ speed, there's a lot of ways to slow this down. We talk about it in our gearing system. If you type !gears in the Discord, you'll see a kick out of that on the various instruments. And then watch the speedometer video, and you'll learn how you can shift gears to adjust for speed using the speedometer and the psychology module around that as well.
DCDM NQ on the 1.
Oh, thank you for that, Andrew. Yeah, it becomes easier once you've learned it and you know what to do, right? Then you're seeing it happen faster, you know, when you already know what's up. All right, NinjaTrader just locked up. One moment. Too fast. Might have to shift to the twos here. I'm telling you, by the end of the week, I am shifting to that 14900. It just takes time for me to get everything set up on a new machine. And with the new release and everything, it has been a bit difficult to try to get my own stuff set up. I'm going to run the clear cache here to try to get that working a bit better there. And set to high priority. I forgot to do that earlier. Yeah, if you've been around a while and watched through the videos, so you kind of know the setups, you know the entries and exits, then when you see them, you know, coming at you fast and see somebody execute on them, you at least know what they are, you know what I'm saying? And so, you know, they make more sense to you if you've
Enigma
been
short on
around,
the
like
NQ1.
what Big Wheats just said a minute ago.
Speed of NQ 270.
Okay, so let's see, what's our time? 9:41.
On the 1.
Could somebody give me a news readout? What is scheduled news? Do we have any at 10 a.m.? We've been having a lot of 10 a.m. news recently. Do we have 10 a.m. news today? You can't say diddle day yet. It's too early to call a day. This is just, look right here. This is just happening right here, right now. This thing could take off anytime, and look at the upward movement, right? NVIDIA, I believe, splits tomorrow, which is a heavy part of the indexes.
Speed of NQ 200.
Canadian PMI at 10, Nat Gas at 10:30. All right. And there was a lot at 8:30. Yeah.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Okay, I'm flat in the middle. I'm not going to take that one. And let's see again. When this is absolutely flat like this, this is like, these are going to be some of the most difficult ones. You have to take on bigger stops, especially when they're in the middle in there. Of course, that one's up working perfectly to the 20 there, but those are the ones that I'd like to avoid when that is flat zero. But you'll notice why we still go ahead and I'll take them anyways, because yeah, look at that one, perfect. That one perfect. That one didn't, but that's at the bottom of a zone, so could be predicted to go up inside of that zoned area there. Hey, what's up, project?
Speed of NQ 236.
We've got, this is going to be a very interesting zone to work to look at today. Prior high and prior close sitting at the exact same location. So keep that in mind as well. DCR on the threes, excellent.
Speed of NQ 194. Speed of NQ 194. Fib.NQ on the 9.
The Moonshot bot. Oh, the Moonshot bot is in the works. You guys are going to see a lot more full auto coming in this summer's streams. All right, we are sitting flat in that area there. So while you're sitting on hands, let's smash that like button here real quick. Get us to 100 likes so I can come back out this afternoon. If we get to 100 likes, we'll do the afternoon session as well. If not, it's all good. I can get my 14900 built out later today.
Speed of NQ.
Yeah, the fiddle zone is real. Yeah, she's sitting in there big time, isn't she? Okay, there's the open line. Left hand buy, right hand sell.
Speed of NQ.
See how the first structures react. Okay, major level right here.
Target filled. Target filled.
With speed, so racquetball play there. Shark cracked.
Target
Off the crab. See if the Gartley holds. Gartley held, okay.
Speed of NQ 391. Divergence up NQ on the 9.
Into the shark. So the reason we knew this, look at all these lines here in case you're wondering why. So how do we know that? You see this? So this happens quite often. If you see them all clustered up like this, I'm going to take the first swipe at it, and then as we come down into an area, I'm going to swipe to try to get back to it again. There's two opportunities to look at something when there is a cluster of major lines at a spot there. Plus we had the open still attraction, and you know, prior high, prior close, it wants to get back in there. The 143 obviously as well came in with a divergence, so a lot of speed coming in right there. So I know it's hard to like talk that through. Anyway, if you got questions on that, let me know.
Speed of NQ 320.
Total dork, I like your name.
Speed of NQ 321.
How are you, my friend? Are you new to the stream? Total dork, I like it. Nerds rule. Now, some of that was made possible by our very cool position managers, the stacks and the near far buttons. If you start practicing with those, you'll get better at using them. There is some kind of hand-eye coordination that you want to kind of get a, what do I call it? A muscle reaction. You want to get some muscle memory on those.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
target
Speed of NQ3.
And we just got auto entered for another free 500 on our auto system there. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to remove lines.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
And we just got another one. System handing out cash here for me on full auto. Butterfly cracked. So that could mean we may make an up move. I got my finger over the buy. Nope, we cracked both sides. So I'm going to turn this off here now for a minute. That's 2 winners in a row. Let me reassess.
NQ1.
Yeah, so that one, yeah. So
on the 9.
good call. Good call. 2 in a row. Potential loss on the next one, especially when we spike down like that. And it's kind of giving it away in the paint here. We had a crack here and a crack here, so structures are being broken. So I want to hold for a minute until we see another structure hold, and then a clear break of one of those structures with the RTOFA coming in as well. Great to have you. Welcome aboard. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button, but enable all notifications. We get people saying all the time, hey, I didn't get the notifications. We do put out a lot of videos technically because of the dual streams each day, which means you will absolutely not get alerted by YouTube if you do not have those enabled. Because YouTube only likes to give out 2 notifications per YouTube channel. And so you're basically only going to get the morning and afternoon. But if we put out like a training video or Mentorship Monday, or like this week, we did a new update and there was an update video, and you're not going to get that.
Speed of NQ 441.
Makes sense? Okay, prior high, prior close, still sucking price back up to it. Let's see how it reacts to that close there. We are stair-stepping up here, so we should expect some continued up move. Although we just broke a butterfly, so never mind. So scratch that. Whenever I see a structure break, then I cancel my idea, my original idea. It has, if it's moving harmonically, it will push right into those and it will react. Once it's cracked, we can be looking to the other side. Okay, there's crosses. That's a cluster. We could be looking for a short here. Need an entry. There they go.
Speed of NQ 317.
Moving too quick for me to react to that. And we cracked that side too. So this is going to be a major level. Yikes, here comes the buyers. I'm going to put my target in a little bit farther. Target's filled. Okay, it's so fast here on the ones. I know people are, I had somebody complain yesterday, oh, it's too fast. Look, you don't have to come to the ones down here. Okay, you can play a higher time frame. I'm just reading what's in front of me, and this is all walked through in training. When we start to see clusters of crosses, this is all walked through in our training. So go check that out. And that is in the free training section as well. You're like, well, I gotta pay. I don't know. It's in the free training section on the website, algoboxpro.com. Click on training. There's literally 6 libraries there for you for free. Enjoy.
Fib.NQ on the NQ 325.
Undeniable. Okay, right back down to low of day again. Spot just a few ticks away now from low of day again. Oftentimes when that's an attraction point, we can sometimes get a trap reversal here, so be careful of that. It's not a gimme to get there. Since everybody knows it's there, oftentimes it doesn't. See, there it goes. Predicted that almost. Like literally, it's like, okay, it looks like it's, oh, everybody's like, oh, I'm just gonna get it down to there. It's like some free money, get to the low of day. Nope. They know it's there. That can get a lot of people in on the wrong side. There's all the people trying to hit that last section. They're all like, okay, I'm gonna get to that low. Oh, I'm gonna get to that low. I'm gonna get to that low. I'm gonna get to that low. And they're like, thank you very much, because you just pressed sell a whole bunch to the big buyers, and then they're like, thank you very much.
Speed of NQ 451.
Classic play when you start to see crosses right in front of that LOD. Now, it doesn't mean it's not going to get there. It just means they are not going to make that easy for those who try to hold that position. So be very careful. Live simply. Awesome, my friend. Ooh, there they are. There's more people loading up. Okay, I got my finger over the buy if we start to run. If they get trapped and they do not push that to the low, the up move is going to be insane. Remember what I said, if it does not hit that low, the up move is going to be insane. Look at them all loading up. Holy shnikes. I'm going to draw a white line right here, and we're going to make it fat. Because they are juiced.
Speed of NQ 400.
I'm going to make that like an 8. This is going to be juice. Oh, it's getting fast now.
NQ on the 9.
5 minutes before the news. Look, they still held it. They did not let them get to the low. Do you know how juicy this is going to be to the long side? Holy crap. I think they're toast. I'm going to get to the long side. Nope, got stopped. I'm going to try it one more time here at that white line.
Speed of NQ 452. Speed
Target,
of NQ
target
452.
Oh, they got the low. Okay, they got the low. I was wrong.
Target
Enigma
filled.
short on the NQ1. Divergence up NQ on the 9. Lower band NQ on the 89. Speed of NQ 428.
Crack of the bat.
Target filled.
About to be big. I'm going to go to
Enigma short on the NQ1.
big or big. There we
Enigma
go.
short on the NQ1.
News. I forgot about the news here coming out in minutes. Remember that white line.
Speed of NQ 444.
Okay, I'm going to shift to the twos because, yeah, it's about to get real spicy here before the news. So I'm going to go to the twos. There still should be plenty of plays coming in on the twos. But, yeah, it's about to be way too fast for the ones when that news comes out. Oh, and as I just shifted, yeah, we locked. Okay, let me get it to the twos. Should have disconnected first, then switch to twos. We know the drill. An indicator that says, it's a trap. That'd be fun. It'd be hard to code though, and it'd be wrong so often, it would be, that would be pretty tricky. Not every four-legged dog is a trap, you know what I mean? All right, news should be coming out here in about 40 seconds. And I'm going to shift to twos before I reconnect. Probably go to threes. I'm going to go all the way to threes here as I reconnect. All right, reconnecting with threes because the news is coming right now. It's going to get nuts, it looks like.
Speed of NQ 68.
Okay, here's the news. 10 a.m. there.
Speed of NQ94. Speed of NQ94.
It's Canadian.
DCDM NQ on the 3.
Okay, there's a double cross we can take as a short. I'm gonna stab that short there. Okay, it's broke. Cluster.
DCDM NQ on the 3.
More clustering.
Touch NQ on
Okay,
the
yikes. Are they just picking it up here through the news? That could be
Target
trouble.
filled.
They're stepping it up out of that trap with speed into the shark. Touch the green line over there on the 9s. Okay, looks like I'm getting caught on that news play. Ooh.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 89.
Target filled. Target filled. Target.
Okay, she cracked that shark there, and we have to see how it reacts to that shark. Shark held. So I should have held it. It cracked it by a tick, so that kind of got me out of it, but shark holding.
Target filled. Target filled.
Speed of NQ75.
Here in the buyer's step. Speed's coming down to 75 now.
Speed of NQ51.
New bar on the
Okay, stop underneath the white cross here.
DCDM NQ1.
Oh boy, it turned into a double cross. Okay, well, that would be target up here for the runner, top of the cross for top side, and stop right underneath the cross down below.
DCDM.
Oh, it turned into a cluster. Okay, so it could be a reversal right here. If it doesn't just blow through here, then I could be looking for a reversal here any moment. Yep, turned into a reversal. Okay, we need a zone. A very tight zone right here. All right, that's the 2-minute warning marker here. 2 minutes till the coffee time. Let's see.
Target filled.
Got the structure. $0.50. See if it holds. If it cracks and we hear buyers, we'll step. Structure to the south side still holding.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Okay, there's coffee time. I'm going to shift to the 2s. First, I'm going to disconnect before I shift because I'm going to remember this time. I'm going to shift to the 2s and then I turn on full auto during coffee time. AlgoBox 2s, and I'm going to shift to L2. So everybody type L2 in the chat. So if anybody comes in, hey, which one is he on? L2. Enigma bot panel, L2. All right. Continuous on 2s and on small 4s. There we go, and connect. Someone banned Julian Gonzalez who just typed L3. Oh, nope. They corrected. Okay, not trolling. They typed an L2. All right. We'll allow it.
DCDM NQ on the 2. Speed of NQ 75. Speed of NQ 66. Speed of NQ 66.
Hey yo, listen up, got a tale to spin. Not the algorithmic trades where you win or you spin. In a market maze where the bulls and bears collide. AlgoBox on Ninja making trades so wide. Day in, day out, it's the AlgoBox flow. Catching pips and dips, this text in the know. Patterns laid out, no guess, no stress. Profits locked in, no mess, pure finesse. But beware the scammers, they lurk, they prey. Promising fortunes, but lead you astray. Stick to the code, the AlgoBox creed. We trade with the edge, no scam, just speed.
Speed of NQ 61.
Hey yo, listen up, got a tale to spin. Nothing algorithmic trades where you win and you spin. In a market maze where the bulls and bears collide. AlgoBox on Ninja making trades so wide. Day in, day out, it's the AlgoBox flow. Catching pips and dips, this text in the know. Patterns laid the know, no guess, no stress. Profits locked in, no mess, kill. Pure finesse, but beware the scam, I'll be wrong, go well. Like a trance, no mess, pure finesse, but beware, go through. Pull it back, promise on finesse, kill pure finesse. Oh mess, pure finesse, oh mess. But beware the scammers, they lurk, they prey. Promising fortunes, but lead you astray. Stick to the code, the AlgoBox creed. We trade with the edge, no scam, just speed.
Speed of NQ 51.
Hey yo, listen up, got a tale to spin. Nothing algorithmic trades where you win and you spin. In a market maze where the bulls and bears collide. AlgoBox on Ninja making trades so wide. Day in, day out, it's the AlgoBox flow. Catching pips and dips, this text in the know. Gotta say the know, no guess, no stress. Profits locked in, no mess, kill. But beware the scammers, they lurk, they prey. Promising fortunes, but lead you astray. Stick to the code, the AlgoBox creed. We trade with the edge, no scam, just speed. I'm holding on your trades. Got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. AlgoBox, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how.
Speed of NQ 80.
Tell me that it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs a beat, something new, yeah. You make it like a game now, winning every move. And you say follow and play along, AlgoBox, it's true. It's too late.
It's
Target.
It's too late. Yeah, I'm holding on your trades, got me 10
Speed of
feet off
NQ
the ground.
134.
AlgoBox makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found. AlgoBox and never miss the game.
Vinny Emini, AlgoBox, they're the kings of the trade. ICT, you a joke, your strategy's just a charade. Michael J, huddle stay, you ain't real, you're a fake. Talk about trading live, but all you do is simulate. Vinny got strategies, he be stacking them pips. AlgoBox got the algorithms making money flip. ICT, you can't compete, your analysis is weak. Michael J, you ain't got the skills, just a trading cheat. We trading warriors, we the best in the
Speed
game.
of NQ 69.
Vinny, mini, me, AlgoBox, we bring the fame. ICT, Michael J, are just frauds on display. In the trading industry, the ones that pave the way.
Whoa. They disbelieved on the faith basis only that I was taking every single trade that I showed examples of. And normally, I do a pretty in-depth editing process.
A pretty in-depth editing process. I could never live stream. Because I gotta fake all you fools.
Speed of NQ
Let me come
82.
here to sing you a song about trading with AlgoBox. It's the bomb. Vinny's the mentor. Straight up the dope. AlgoBox, the market cheat, helping us stay afloat. AlgoBox, trading like a boss. Playing with the big boys, ain't no loss. Yeah, AlgoBox is a whole new game. The tools do the work, only you to play. You don't need to be perfect to be profitable. Don't fiddle in the middle, that's just not plausible. Winner, chicken dinner, that's the aim. Love those dips, it's all part of AlgoBox. AlgoBox, trading like a boss. Playing with the big boys, ain't no loss. Yeah, AlgoBox, it's a whole new game. Let the tools do the work, only you to blame. Follow the rules, don't fiddle in the middle. Stick to the plan, watch your profits triple. Golden rule, winner,
Speed of
chicken
NQ
dinner.
102.
AlgoBox setups, we know.
Speed of
Yeah,
NQ 102.
AlgoBox, trading like a boss. Playing with the AlgoBox, trading like a boss. Playing with the big boys, ain't no loss. Yeah, AlgoBox, it's a whole new game. Let the tools do the work, only you to blame. Moonshot, Enigma, Alpha, Omega, Headshot. These setups, we're reaching for the top. AlgoBox, trading like a boss. Let the tools do the work, only you blame. Yeah, game like a boss. Playing with the big boys ain't no loss. Yeah, AlgoBox, it's a whole new game. Let the tools do the work, only you to blame. AlgoBox, it's a whole new game. Let the tools do the work, only you to blame. See ya!
Hell to the Muppets, to the ICT sock puppets, selling bottoms, buying tops, crying over
Speed of
AlgoBox. Why so
NQ96.
angry? Why so dumb? Why not coming? Living in your mama's basement while we catching that retracement. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot. 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 Michael Mikey, mental midget, cause his IQ just one digit. Selling snake oil to the blind, youthful dreamers, unrefined. See the error of your ways, finally come and see what pays. Just let Santa fill your socks, feel the power of AlgoBox. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib
Speed
dot.
of NQ81.
Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot.
From the depths of Texas, the ultimate avenger emerges. He's
Speed
one
of
of the
NQ71.
bad guys to red. If you are not having fun doing it, you are doing it wrong. If you are not having fun doing it, you are doing it wrong. If you are not having fun doing it, you are doing it wrong. He's a family man, colder and crazy genius. And through it all, he's got a big heart. When you get to know him, he's a great guy. If you are not having fun doing it, you are doing it wrong.
Speed of NQ77. Speed of NQ77.
You are doing it wrong. He won't stop until he accomplishes goals. If you're the bad guy, don't get in his way. Vinny Emini, he'll finish you off. If you are not having fun doing it, you are doing it wrong. If you are not having fun doing it.
Speed of
From
NQ79.
the depths of Texas, the ultimate avenger emerges. He's born to break the scammers and the bad guys to red. If you are not having fun doing it, you are doing it wrong.
Target
If you are not having fun doing it, you are
NQ on the 9.
If you're the bad guy, don't get in his way. Vinny Emini, he'll finish you off. If you're not having fun doing it, you are doing it wrong. If you are not having fun doing it, you are doing it wrong. If you are not having fun doing it, you are not having fun doing it, you are doing it wrong. If you are not having fun doing it, you are not having fun doing it, you are doing it wrong.
Listen up, y'all. We're the trading elite. All algo systems on steroids with the rest of the game. Fire in our veins, our headshots on fleek. Harmonics on point, profit
Target
stacking, not just
filled.
unique. We're the masters of the future's floor, no debate. Our albums aligned, our strats on fleek. Harmonics on point, profit stacking, our checks unique. We're the masters of the future's floor, no debate. Our albums the best, generating wealth, no need to hesitate.
Target
Alpha
filled.
Omega's aligned, our strategies airtight. We're the ones who rule the game, day and night, no fight. Charts and graphs, a masterpiece, a work of art. Predicting prices, we're the profits from the start. Leverage high, risk is low, our albums got the skill. We're the ones who dominate, making moves, standing still. From Tokyo to New York, we're trading the globe. Our albums on the clock, 24/7, we're always on the road. Futures trading, our specialty, our groove is tight. We're the AlgoBox crew, the best in the fight. So if you wanna win, don't get left behind. Join the AlgoBox crew and let the profits align. We're the best trading system in the game.
Speed of
no debate.
NQ81.
AlgoBox, the secret weapon with the fame. It's a fact, no need to hesitate.
Alrighty then, so kind of an uneventful coffee time. Not very many full autos at all. That one came in during a locked up there. We hit that one. Wow, look at that. Chukka chukka everywhere. There, basically got to see the big dogs come in
Enigma short on the NQ
twice. And those are some of our best plays during that window of time.
Speed of NQ76.
Okay, so I'm going to give this one a shot here. Where are we on the twos? Yeah, on the twos. That's a moonshot now. I'll give it a shot there. Add to position on a cross. Stops back behind the Enigma. Hearing buyers step in on the tape. Not sure if that's going to give us enough to stop this train to the upside.
Target filled.
Enigma long on the NQ2.
Oh boy.
Speed of NQ51.
Target's filled. I'll take it. And we've got big stepping in. at the open. Cross is stepping up saying, I don't think so. Looks like a lot of order collecting in this zone here.
Speed of NQ84. Speed of NQ84.
Target filled. Target filled.
Right up under that open line. I'm just going to kill it right there, get my 2K on the morning. It's been a trickier session there this morning. Where are we at? We are just over an hour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. You guys got me to 100 likes. Yikes. You guys are some rock stars. So don't forget, Enigma. This is the absolute last time the Enigma full auto will ever be offered. And there are, well, I was going to say 50 seats. That's when we started. We started with 50 seats, and now there are 36 left. I'm sorry, there was 36 yesterday. This morning, 5 came through. 31 seats remain. I'll catch you guys in the next one this afternoon. Thanks for coming and hanging out. For me, Bibby, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis G, and Eddie B. I am sitting at the Big H-Town. Catch you this afternoon. See ya.
Speed of NQ80.
It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox. It's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox. It's too late. Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs a beat. Something new, yeah. You make it like a game now, winning every move. And you say follow and play along. AlgoBox is true. It's too late to miss the game.
Speed of NQ56. Dip.NQ on the 9.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity, I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use, they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis
Speed
to
of
us.
NQ72.
You just play the
Speed
game.
of NQ72.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Order filled. Target filled.